Ever wondered how the humble soccer ball, the star of the world's most popular sport, is actually made? Let's kick off a journey into the factory to find out. It all starts with the outer skin. Large sheets of synthetic leather, usually polyurethane or PVC, are chosen for their durability and feel. These sheets are then taken to a cutting station. Here, a powerful machine called a clicker press uses sharp metal dies to stamp out precise panels. Depending on the design, this could be the classic 32-panel hexagon and pentagon pattern, or a more modern 14-panel configuration. Next, these blank panels get their signature look. They move on to screen printing. A screen with the desired pattern is placed over each panel, and special, durable inks are squeezed through. This is how logos, colors, and designs are applied. After printing, the panels are sent through a drying process to ensure the ink sets perfectly, followed by a quick inspection to catch any flaws. Now comes the crucial assembly phase. There are two main methods. The traditional way is hand stitching. Skilled workers take the panels and, using a needle and strong thread, meticulously stitch them together. A single ball can require between 900 and 1200 stitches. The rubber bladder, which will hold the air, is placed inside before the final few panels are sewn shut. The more modern method is thermal bonding. Here, the panels are arranged around the bladder inside a special spherical mold. The mold is then heated and pressurized. The heat activates an adhesive on the edges of the panels, fusing them together to create a seamless, water-resistant surface. This process is much faster and results in a perfectly round ball. Regardless of the method, once the panels are joined, there's still work to do. For stitched balls, the final seam is closed, and then the entire ball is carefully turned inside out through a small opening. This hides the seams on the inside, giving the exterior its smooth finish. The bladder's valve is then pulled through its designated hole. The ball is now ready to be brought to life. It's inflated to its official pressure, which also helps it take its final perfect shape, but it's not ready for the pitch just yet. Every ball must pass a series of rigorous quality control tests. First, its roundness, or sphericity, is measured from multiple points to ensure it's a perfect sphere. Then comes the rebound test. The ball is dropped from a set height, and it must bounce back to a specific range. This ensures a consistent and predictable bounce during a game. Next is the water retention test. The ball is submerged and weighed to see how much water it absorbs. A good ball absorbs very little, keeping it lightweight even in wet conditions. The pressure retention test is also critical. The ball is left inflated for several days to see if it holds air properly. No one wants a ball that goes flat mid-match. Finally, the ball's size and weight are checked against official standards. Like those from FIFA, only the balls that pass every single one of these tests move on to the final stage. The approved balls are then deflated for easier shipping. Any official certification marks or final brand logos are applied. They are then carefully packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores and soccer fields all around the world, waiting for the next big game. So the next time you see a soccer ball, you'll know the incredible journey of precision engineering and craftsmanship it took to get there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks.